So welcome to the one shot of mushroom. So today we are going to study about mushroom. We know that it belongs to Basidomycetes, that is, it have basidospore as a sexual spore, and it is also known as club fungi. So it have so let's write it have septate, septate and dikaryotic, dikaryotic hyphae. It means the hyphae of mushroom are like this. They are septate, and in each segment we found two nucleus. This is dikaryotic structure. So we let's talk about somatic structure. Somatic structure or vegetative structure. So we can see mushroom like umbrella, mm, like this, and this. So this is the cap, and this is stipe, and this thread-like structure inside the mushroom is known as gills, where spores are present. Spores, which spore? We know that basidospores. So now in mushroom we found two type of mycelium. That is, the two type of mycelium are: one, primary mycelium, primary mycelium, and second is secondary mycelium. So in primary mycelium we can see there is one nucleus. This is monokaryotic, and in secondary mycelium we can see two nucleus. This is dikaryotic. This is dikaryotic. So primary mycelium stage is recessive, and secondary mycelium is dominant. Dominant. It is for short time, and secondary mycelium is for long time. Long time. Now let's study about reproduction. Reproduction in mushroom. Mushroom. So the first type of reproduction is vegetative. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. So the vegetative reproduction is done by this following step. In first we have underground mycelium which in favorable condition which in favorable condition spread and grow grow and give genetically identical mushroom. So in asexual reproduction, there are two type of spore. These are chlamydospore and oidia. So these two are asexual spore. Okay. So the chlamydospore is thick-walled intercalary in position. Okay, and it gives germination to hyphae. Hyphae means this dikaryotic hyphae. It gives germination to give rise to hyphae, which hyphae again develop into mycelium and it give rise to whole mushroom. Second is oidia. In some cases, oidia may also be formed under certain conditions, which are also known to have sexual function. This is important. This sexual function in diplotization. Diplotization means diploid formation from N. Okay, we confirm to N. This is diploid. Haploid to diploid. Okay. Now study about sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, the concept is monokaryotic hyphae, which have only one nucleus, is fused with another monokaryotic hyphae and it gives dikaryotic hyphae, which again germinate to secondary mycelium or uh, this secondary mycelium which have two nucleus. Okay, so this is the concept of sexual reproduction, but it is followed by some steps. So let's study about these steps. Then the first step is plasmogamy. Plasmogamy. Plasmogamy means fusion of cytoplasm, not nucleus. Okay. So in this, what happened? Two monokaryotic, two mono mono monokaryotic hyphae fuse, but only cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm fuse. And the second step is karyogamy. Second is karyogamy. So in karyogamy, this is fusion of nucleus. So in karyogamy, what happened? The fusion of two nucleus to form, sorry, not nucleus, these are nuclei to form diploid nucleus. Okay, and the third step is meiosis, where four haploid nuclei are formed. So in meiosis, the bacidospore the bacido do the bacidospore and thus formed on the stigma of basidium are haploid in either of positive and negative type. It means either male or female. Okay, so let's study it by figure. In figure, we can see two monokaryotic hyphae are fused. The first step is plasmogamy. You can see only the cytoplasm is fused. The second, and this look, this is what our dikaryotic mycelium, and it gives rise to a board-like structure which later develop upon bottom stage. And this is very important. This bottom stage develop into fruiting body, and this fruiting body help to give rise to a whole mushroom. So this is about the mushroom. Now let's study about basidiocarp. So this is the basidiocarp. So in basidiocarp we can see hymenium layer. Okay, this is a mass of cell with compactly arranged, and this help in absorption absorption of mineral, and it also help in supporting. Okay, and in here we can see a loop like structure which have some spores. These are basidiospore. Okay, basidiospore and paraphysis are alternatively arranged. One basidiospore, one paraphysis, one basidiospore, one paraphysis, and in these basidiospore, these basidiospore will germinate as a whole mushroom in future. So, so the basidiospore germinate in whole mushroom, and it divided into the upper part cap, which is also known as pileus, and stipe, which is stem-like stem-like structure, but it is not stem, and these mushroom are saprophytic. Okay, this is important point. These are saprophytic, that is they grow on dead and decayed material, and they are uh, incapable of photosynthesis. Okay, because they lack chloroplast. So this is about the mushroom, its vegetative structure, its asexual reproduction, and its sexual reproduction, and this bottom stage is important, and this structure of basidiocarp is important. So thank you.